In this video, I'm going to show you how this teeny tiny YouTube channel earns me commissions every single month with the Bluehost affiliate program. So make sure you watch this entire video. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so first and foremost, you want to make money with the Bluehost affiliate program, and maybe you've tried and you've ran into some issues. Maybe you haven't gotten started, but you've heard that Bluehost is a good opportunity to make money. I'm here to help you out. So if we take a look here, this is my other YouTube channel. It's called Web Hosting Rewind. And if we take a look at the content, first of all, let me show you. It only has 171 subscribers, so it's not monetized by YouTube, but it still gets pushed out. What we want to take a look at is we want to take a look at one of the ways that I'm making affiliate commissions with this channel. I'm simply creating how to start _blog. So if we come up to the search bar and we type in how to start _blog like this, and you're going to see that people are going to be typing in they want to start a blog based on whatever they're interested in. So maybe they want to start a yoga blog, so we can type in yoga like this. We're going to get rid of that. But if we type in how to start a yoga blog, you're going to see that the top result from 3 years ago, there's another one from 3 years ago. Mine shows up on here somewhere, but I've simply, and this is just one way, is I'm simply showing people how to start a blog. And one of the steps that you need to take in order to start a blog is to get web hosting. And so I'm just simply putting my affiliate links in the description of these videos. And what you may notice is that these videos aren't getting a ton of views. You don't need a ton of views in order to start making money, as long as you are directly answering a question. So this is the first way and the easiest way. You can come up to the search bar and you can type in how to start an _website like this. You can see that people are asking all sorts of questions. How to start a website for clothing. So if we go to how to start and then we'll do like the letter Q and just go through each letter of the alphabet. How to start a WordPress website for free. How to start building a website. You can see that people are asking all sorts of questions with regard to their interest. But this is the first way and probably the easiest and most obvious way. A way that not a lot of people are aware of is simply creating a course over on Udemy. Now, I actually earn commissions in a few different ways over on Udemy. I have courses over on Udemy, so I'm making money on the front end, and then I'm recommending different products and services that they need, and I make money on the back end. So if I just type in my name here, Alston Godbolt, you're going to see I have a few different courses. Inside of these courses, I do a few things. One, I recommend different products that they need. If we look at affiliate marketing with the Bluehost affiliate program, I recommend everything from getting a website with Bluehost. I recommend email marketing because they need email marketing in order to find success. If we look here with ClickFunnels and so on, but you can do this exact same thing. And the reason why I like this method is because you make money on both the front end and the back end when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you'll make money when anyone buys the course. As you can see, this course goes for $29.99. It has a 4.7 star review, 17 views. And then if people click on your affiliate links, and I'm also sending people to my mailing list. So there's a couple different ways that I'm making money here. But that's another cool way. Another way that you can make money, and this is how I earn my first commissions. I think I tell this story once every few months, so I'll go ahead and say it again. I watched a large guru YouTuber tell me that I could make money with the Bluehost affiliate program and going to Quora by coming over to Quora and answering questions. And so what I did was I just typed in web hosting like this, hit enter, go down to search, and look for questions. Next, you want to change it to the past day or week, depending on how many questions are up there. And you're simply going to go through and answer the questions. Now, a better way to do this, if you have Ahrefs, so we could go to ahrefs.com. I'll bring that up on my other screen. But what you're going to do is you're just going to answer questions. Like, look at this one, best web hosting. You answer the question, and this is where I made the mistake. I earned commissions, but I made a mistake. I put my affiliate link directly in the answer. You're not supposed to do that on Quora. If you do that, you will get banned. And so what we're going to do is I'm just going to go to Quora.com over here, and I'm going to drag this over. And I don't think a lot of people know this method, so this could actually help you out and save you some time. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to keywords while that's waiting, so you can see here, which is the best web hosting service provider, InterServe, or HostGator. You can answer this question and then link them over to a YouTube channel, a blog post, even a landing page where you give away a free ebook, and then you can refer them over to whatever it is that you're interested in. But I did this exact thing for Bluehost. I actually made my first $125 with affiliate marketing using this process. I typed in web hosting, I answered questions, and then I put my link in the answer. Do not, I repeat, do not put your link in the answer. That will get you banned. So you don't want to do that. If we continue on, we take a look over on Ahrefs. What we're going to do is we're going to include the words web hosting, and we're going to include Bluehost, right? And so we're looking for questions where people are asking about Bluehost and web hosting, and we're looking for things that are low competition. So if we look at this, Google Cloud Web Hosting price, how to create your own server at home, Amazon Web Hosting. Some of these are off base, but if we looked at Bluehost free domain, we can answer the question and help solve the problem. This gets about 200 searches per month, and you can see this is another opportunity. So let's get rid of web hosting. I'm just going to show you the ones for Bluehost. And what you want to do is you want to answer questions that show up in the first position, because the first position means that they show up at the first position in Google. So what is Bluehost? This ranks 5. If I copy what is Bluehost, it should be in the 5th position over on Google. So if we scroll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And what you would do is you would simply just go through and answer these questions. You can do the same thing for just web hosting in general. Even how to start a website. So we could type in website like this. Now this might come back to some stuff that might not be safe for work, and I do apologize for that. Quora can be a little spicy sometimes, but what we could do is something like start a website like this. And once again, we're trying to cherry pick and find the ones that are ranking high, and we can just go through and answer these questions. Look at cheapest way to start a website. This is a great way for us to jump in and say, here are the steps to start a website. It ranks in the 4th position. It gets 30 searches per month. So let's change this to top position. So 4, 4, 6, 10. And then let's also see what the volume looks like. So this one gets 700 searches per month, how to start a website. We jump in and we answer the question step by step, just like we would do with a YouTube channel. And then we could get them over to a YouTube channel, a blog post, even a Facebook group if that's what we wanted to do, and we could make money this way. So the second way is Quora. Now, if we jump back over to YouTube, and you can do the same for blog, but blogging is going to be really competitive. Another way, and if we take a look at some of my, I don't think I have it on this channel, but we could do like Bluehost versus, and you can see people are asking questions about all of the different web hosting providers out there. You can do a compare and contrast, and in fact, you can actually link both programs, affiliate programs, in the description of your videos. But if we look at this, Bluehost versus Namecheap, you're going to see there's a lot of views, but not a lot of subscribers. So look at this. 9,000 views from 2 years ago, 30,000 subscribers. This person has 6 subscribers, 765 views from a year ago. Let's say 7 people buy, that's 10%. 7 people buy. If we look at 65 times 7, you're looking at maybe what, $420, something like that. Let's just do the math because I don't like to be wrong. 7 times 65, you're looking at $455. So $455 he potentially could have made, and he only has 6 subscribers. You can see here that people are asking this question. Once again, you're simply going to go through each letter of the alphabet. Bluehost versus Q, nothing there. Bluehost versus Wix. A lot of people are going to be asking about this comparison. 757 views from 8 months ago. 559 views from a year ago. 17,000 subscribers. Look at this one. 147 views, only 188 subscribers. And the great thing about creating content on YouTube and your blog is that it's on the internet forever. And so you have the potential of earning commissions 5 years from now with a simple comparison video. So if we do the exact same thing, we can do Bluehost versus Wix. We can take a look at the top result here. And then what we can do is we can even take it a step further, and we can take the domain name. So we're going to copy, let's get out of here. Let's open this new link like that. We're going to copy this domain name, and then we can plug it right into Ahrefs and see what they're ranking for. And this could be an opportunity to make even more money. So another great way is Bluehost versus. You can also do best web hosting for, best web hosting for. You can see best web hosting for e-commerce. But if I just do best web hosting for, you can see there's some opportunity. Best web hosting for e-commerce, we take a look at that. 5.6 thousand views from 8 months ago. This person only has 3,000 subscribers. 1,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. So if you create a list of the 5 best web hosting providers for e-commerce, you have the opportunity to make some passive income. But if we look at this, best web hosting for, you can see that there are people asking all sorts of questions. Another thing you can do, and I actually picked this up from a YouTuber, I believe his name is Marcus Campbell, the affiliate marketing dude, is also do what's called the glossary method. Now, the interesting thing here is we can do like web hosting glossary. As you can see here, it is the second one. And what you're simply going to do is you're just going to look for a list of common terms. So dedicated hosting, we can take this term, copy it, go back over to Google, and we're just going to paste this in, and people are asking questions about dedicated hosting. And we're going to click on this. For example, dedicated hosting versus shared hosting. You can simply, once again, create content here and get in front of highly targeted people. Look at this one, shared hosting versus dedicated hosting, hosting buyer guide. This video has 4.7 thousand views, only 1,260 subscribers, and it's an 8-minute video. So you can see that this method works. You can just go through and grab some of these different terms and plug them right into YouTube. Now, another example would be like SSL. We could do what is a SSL, just like that. And you're going to see that people are asking about what is an SSL. Now, most likely, people that are asking what is an SSL, where they either have a website and their website isn't secure, and so they're running into issues with ranking or making money, or they're in the stages of getting a website, and someone said, make sure you have SSL. So you explain exactly what SSL is. In fact, GoDaddy is right here. You explain exactly what SSL is, why you need it, and you can get in front of highly targeted people. You can also, as you can see here, some of these are going to be the next level, like HT access. That's going to be something that's going to be a step up from beginners. But you can see that you can just go through, grab a glossary, and just plug it right in. Another thing that you can do, and not a lot of people talk about this, is we can go over to the product website, in this case, Bluehost.com, and we can just grab different bolded words. So web hosting, we can grab web hosting just like this, paste it right in, and this works for a YouTube channel or a blog. So we do web hosting, hit the space bar. Once again, we can go through each letter of the alphabet and create content and refer people back over to Bluehost. So if we do web hosting, we can do underscore like this, and go through each letter of the alphabet and find words and find keywords that you can create content. Web hosting, earn money, web hosting review. Let's see. We can find Firebase web hosting. And the cool thing about this underscore trick is you can put it at the beginning or the end of your keyword. So we could do M and just go through each letter of the alphabet just like that and find low competition keywords that can actually help you start making money. Website builder, we can copy this. Let's copy this like that. And we can do like, we could do best website builder. Come on. Best website builder, and once again you see there are tons of opportunities. Best website builder for, and then we can once again go through each letter of the alphabet. Best website builder for service business, 1,000 views from 4 months ago, only 3,000 subscribers. 62,000 views from a year ago, 15,000 subscribers. You just create the content and people will come. Top 5 free website builders for small business, 132,000 views. You can see there are tons of different opportunities out there. So once again, you can create a course, you can go through Quora, you can do Bluehost versus, we can do best web hosting for or best website builder for. We can do the glossary method, which I showed you. We can do Bluehost review. I don't think I talked about that. We can do Bluehost review like this. And you're going to see, once again, there are tons of views being viewed, tons of viewers that are looking for answers with regard to Bluehost, 63,000 views. 7,000 views. This person only has 2,000 subscribers, so teeny tiny channel. 5,000 views, 9,000 subscribers. The reason why people like creating reviews is because this is at the bottom of the funnel. Most likely, these people are ready to buy Bluehost. They just want to make sure that they're making the best decision for them and their family. The cool thing is with these review videos, we'll wait on that, is they're relatively easy to make. You can confirm what they're already thinking. You're catching people at the bottom of the funnel, so the number of views are going to be high, and the conversion rate can also be high as well. And this can be a really simple way to make money. But don't just do review videos, also mix in the other types of content as well. So we've got how to make a website, how to start a blog. Those are all easy ways to start making money with the Bluehost affiliate program. Now that you know the 7 different ways to make money with the Bluehost affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.